No time wasting. Why pull out a traditional stand mixer when this ultimate hand mixer has all the functions you need in a jiffy? It is the perfect solution for the busy baker with a 5-speed dial and extra turbo function letting you choose the optimum mixing speed for any recipe. Maximum comfort, lightweight, and with a soft grip non-slip handle, you can knead, mix and whip in comfort. The slide control easily shifts speeds with a single touch, and the upright stance design makes the handheld mixer easy to set aside. Versatile attachments, no more working hands. The heavy-duty dough mixer hooks take the hard work out of kneading dough and other heavy mixtures. The powerfully designed beater attachments are perfect for beating heavy cream, butter, egg whites and batters, as well as dishes like mashed potatoes. Use the easy eject control to release and clean your dishwasher-safe attachments. Compact and portable, no more lost attachments and dangling cord. The specially designed snap-on storage case makes the slim kitchen appliance super space efficient, so you can easily store away amongst your baking supplies or take with you where needed. Made in China. Top reviews from the United States. Powerful. I purchased this product to make quick work of mashed potatoes. Works perfectly.